guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today's video is going to be about me showing you guys how to do passion twists. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your passion twist. And to me, this is the best way to do passion twist because anytime you are twisting with silky hair, which the passion twist hair is kind of silky, you can have some unraveling. And to me, if you guys, you can purchase them now. They're called the Nala Tress Passion Twist by Janet Collection. I have some of those. I'm going to attach a video of that. But I wanted to show you guys how to do it if you didn't want to purchase the hair and you wanted to do it yourself. If you didn't want to buy a pre-twisted, you wanted to do it yourself. I'll be using the water curl. You could be able to use the Bohemian. You could use the water wave free tress or the I also use the Bohemian, like a Bohemian that was more tighter also. It all depends on what you want to use. The hair looks like this. It's some really, really nice hair. Like I said, you can use whatever brand that you like. Like I told you guys, this is not a style that I do on singles, because to me, y'all, when you are using this type of silky hair, you can tend to have it slip. So instead of me having it slip, the only way I offer this style is if it's short, because I do shoulder length, but the long I don't do. It just takes too much time. I can attach some crochets that I've done with the short. It was super cute too. So it's all up to you. But let me show you guys how to do it. Again, you'll be using the water wave hair. What you have to do first though, y'all, you'll have to prepare the hair. It's kind of like when you're doing braids. You know how you got to prepare the hair before you go in and braid it. What you want to do is just go in and take the ends, one end, and go ahead and fluff out the hair. And what I probably would do, y'all, if you are going to be doing a whole bunch of these, I will fluff out the hair, a lot of the hair first, and then I will go in and do my twist. What you can also do, like I told you guys, I use the Bohemian curl hair. It is by Bobbi Box, I think. I can't remember. I will attach the video. That hair is already kinky, and you can go ahead and not have to do this step. What you're doing in this step is just getting the hair fluffy so it can be able to be twisted and you don't have to worry about it unraveling. So just take each end and get it unraveled like you would if it was Camperline, like you're doing braids. You know how you got to prepare the hair when you're doing braids. So that is prepared. I have a whole bunch of them over here already prepared. So for time's sake, come on. Come on, camera. My camera be tripping, y'all. So for some time's sake, I already done that. So remember, guys, every twist that you do, you're going to have to fluff out the hair unless you use the hair that I'll include. It's a short crochet. You can be able to have it long too. That hair you do not have to fluff out. So what you want to do first, you can be able to use whatever you want. You can use string, you can use whatever you can be able to put on to make your twist hold, because it's not a water one way. And then what I do, y'all, is I take it and I start twisting. What I do, y'all, is I twist to the right first and I twist to the left. I look at it and see which one do I like better. Do I like the way that the left look, or do I like the way that the right look? That can distinguish in which way you need to be going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist a little bit, and then I'm going to yank it up a little bit because I want to make sure it stays twisted. So you keep twisting, keep twisting, keep twisting, and give it some yank. Keep twisting. Like I told you guys, when you are doing it in somebody else's hair, sometimes textures don't blend well. And that's why I think doing these pre-passion twists, pre-doing them, you don't have to worry about anybody hair coming, out the twist or anything like that, or unraveling, because it's not going to unravel. And you just keep on twisting. Make sure you're twisting pretty tight. Just keep twisting till you get to the very end. And don't forget to do your little rip too. And now what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm about to borrow hair from the other side. Okay. And just keep twisting. See, twisting, yanking. Keep on going. Twist and a yank. And this is a process, but it's very nice. Like I told you guys, I do not do real long ones because it'll have your hands hurting so bad, and that's just too much. Like I told you guys, they come now already pre-done. You see how long it takes, guys, just to do one, and people be wanting it super long. I'm like, girl, you better either pre-do them like I'm doing, or you can, like I said, buy them already pre-done. Get it for the rip. And just go to the very, very end so you can't go anymore. Okay, and then what you do at the very end, y'all, give it a good twirl, and there you go. You have some nice, cute passion twists, and you got your loop. And there it is. See how cute that is? Very cute. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we'll go back the opposite way. Let's go back the opposite way and see what we like with that. Always go back both ways, see what you like, and then stick with that. Okay, so last time we went this way, so we are going to go left over right. Let's see how this looks. Okay, give it a good yank. You're gonna do the same exact thing you did, but this time you go pay attention and see which way you like, and then whichever way you like, you just do it the next time. It's not a wrong or right way. It's all in what you like. But I find if you really want a nice twist, there is a certain way that you need to go, and you can be able to tell once you get it in. So just keep on going, giving your rip. Make sure you rip it, and make sure you don't let the hair tangle at the bottom. Give your rip. And like I told you guys in some other videos, my husband is a music producer, so they are back there practicing. So if you hear some music or anything, I do apologize. Okay, keep on going. Give it a good rip. Keep on going. Give it a good rip, and all go, like I told you guys, go all the way to the very, very bottom. And then when you get to the bottom, you just give it a twist. Okay, so this right here, let me see that I am not feeling going back that way. So it is best to go right over left. But like I said, you do both and you see which way you like best. So you see a total difference. But like I said, you guys, when you are doing this with your real hair, it can tend to unravel. So let's do one more and then we'll be done. And then, like I said, just keep on going. You do how many ever packs you want. I would do probably about a good 4 packs to be on the safe side, and then just go from there. Okay, so again, we're going to put it on here. And you already got your loop too, and just do it tight. And again, we are doing left over right. And make sure you are using a product so you don't got to worry about your hands getting dry or anything like that. But like I told you guys, do both ways and see which way you like the way the twists look. And this is how you do pre-twisted passion twists. And if you want them thicker, just add extra hair, like another strand of hair, and you just do 2. If you want to keep them thin like this, you can keep them thin like that. Like I told you, always go in and do that little rip to make sure it's tight. So probably do maybe about 5 passes and then do your rip. And if you were adding it to someone else's hair, like if you was doing singles, you'll be doing the same exact thing, but on their hair. So you just decide on what you like. Do you like pre-twisted? Do you want to buy the crochet kind that I told you guys that they have out? It's curly at the end. It is by Janet Collection. Or do you want to do it yourself? I'm going to do it yourself for y'all. And see, you see how that's coming undone? So that right there will tell you, you might not have went the right way. You might possibly want to go the opposite way. That is really pretty. Really, really pretty. And make sure you do it really tight when you're right here, because you want those loops to stay real well. But here we go, y'all. I am really loving this one. That one looked really, really cute. Look at that. Really, really nice, y'all. So see, you can do whatever you put your mind to. Okay, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. But now I have 2 passion twists ready to install. Bye, guys.